Welcome to preparenext.com. We offer you job details. Today we are listing out top 10 engineering colleges in India. Number 1, we got IIT Madras, which is established on 1959 and also known as IITM. IIT Madras comes under the government sector and it's located in Chennai. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Madras and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT, JAM and CAT after the degree. The mode of application will be online. For more information about IIT Madras, visit www.iitm.ac.in. At number 2, we got IIT Delhi, which is established on 1961 and also known as IITD. IIT Delhi comes under the private sector which is located in Hoskas, Delhi. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Delhi and students can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT, JAM and CAT after the degree. The mode of application will be online. Microsoft, Intel, Goldman Sachs, Uber are top recruiters in IIT Delhi. For more information about IIT Delhi, visit www.iitt.ac.in. At number 3, we got IIT Bombay, which is established on 1958 and also known as IITB. IIT Bombay comes under the private sector which is located in Powai, Mumbai. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Bombay and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT JAM, MET for MPhil and JAM for MSc. The mode of application will be online. Microsoft, Samsung, Google, Accenture, Amazon, Tata Steel, JP Morgan, McKinsey and Company are top recruiters in IIT Bombay. For more information about IIT Bombay, visit www.iitb.ac.in. At number 4, we got IIT Kanpur, which is established on 1959 and also known as IITK. IIT Kanpur comes under the public sector which is located in Kalyanpur, Kanpur. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Kanpur and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT, JAM and CAT after the degree. The mode of application will be online. For more information about IIT Kanpur, visit www.iitk.ac.in. At number 5, we got IIT Kharagpur, which is established on 1951 and also known as IIT KGP. IIT Kharagpur comes under the autonomous sector which is located in Kharagpur, West Bengal. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Kharagpur and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT, JAM and CAT after the degree. The mode of application will be online or offline. For more information about IIT Kharagpur, visit www.iitkgp.ac.in. At number 6, we got IIT Roorkee, which is established in 1847 and also known as IITR. IIT Roorkee comes under the public sector which is located in Haridwar district in the state of Uttarakhand. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Roorkee and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, IIT JAM and CAT after the degree. The mode of application will be online or offline. For more information about IIT Roorkee, visit www.iitr.ac.in. At number 7, we got IIT Guwahati, which is established on 1994 and also known as IIT Guwahati or IIT DG. IIT Guwahati comes under the government sector which is located in Guwahati, Assam. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Guwahati and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, UCEED and CEED after the degree. The mode of application will be online. For more information about IIT Guwahati, visit www.iitg.ac.in. At number 8, we got IIT Hyderabad, which is established on 2008 and also known as IITH. IIT Hyderabad comes under the government sector which is located in Hyderabad. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Hyderabad and student can apply for JEE Advanced, GATE, UCEED and CEED. The mode of application will be online. For more information about IIT Hyderabad, visit www.iith.ac.in. At number 9, we got National Institute of Technology, Tiruchi, which is established on 1964 and also known as NITT. NIT Tiruchi comes under the government sector which is located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Entrance exams are allowed in NIT Tiruchi and student can apply for JEE Advanced and GATE. The mode of application will be online. For more information about NIT Tiruchi, www.nitt.edu. At number 10, we got IIT Indore, which is established on 2009 and also known as IITI. IIT Indore comes under the autonomous sector which is located in Indore. Entrance exams are allowed in IIT Indore and student can apply for GATE, UCG, CSIR and JRF. The mode of application will be online. For more information about IIT Indore, visit www.iiti.ac.in. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, visit preparenext.com.